Is this thing on? Hello YouTube, it's been a while. It's Michael Gideon, good to see you. If you remember, I bought this 1969 Lotus Europa on eBay. It was a non-runner. My buddy Tom talked me into buying this car. We ended up getting it running in well, it was kind of better part of a day. I was gonna say an afternoon. So I had done some work on the car when I first got it. I had gone through the brakes a little bit, had the front calipers rebuilt. It's got drum brakes in the rear, and I tore apart the coolant system and kind of got stopped up with other projects, my 912 and my Targa and all kinds of stuff. So we're back, and I'm really excited to be back on this. I've been working on it quite a bit, and I have been filming, so I'll show you guys what I've been doing. When you push this, yes, moving free. Fuel. Here we go. Too small. They're really not the right size, but alright, I'm gonna try and start this thing. See here. Put a little bit of fuel. Yep, car's in neutral. It's up on. See if it cranks. Wow. Just hearing it crank is kind of cool. Good sound. You know what? I'm not giving it any throttle. Maybe they are out of order. Was that just... I don't know if that was a backfire or if that was just... How did that get screwed up like that though? 1, 2, 3. Do it, Phyllis. Start it. I think we had the plug wires wrong. We're gonna try it again. A little more fuel. Okay. Dude, this thing sounds bitchin'. I'm gonna stop the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more Lotus Europa content, more Porsche content. I haven't even updated YouTube on what's taking place with this Targa. But I appreciate you guys for being here, for watching this content. I've been wanting to come back to YouTube. I've been doing a lot on Instagram, and I'm like up to date with my projects and everything there. But I did film a lot of stuff, and I've been trying to catch up on editing. So I'm editing like 4 or 5 videos at once right now. And I switched to a more complicated editing software a few months ago, and the learning curve has been really steep. Partly why I haven't been posting anything. It's just, it's just kind of a tricky thing. So anyway, yeah, stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see more videos. I am posting, I'll be posting on more of a consistent basis here soon. But the Europa right now is really got all my attention, and I'm looking forward to sharing more about just what I've discovered with the car and where I am at currently. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.